Abebyo kwerinda omucyange cya Bushenyi ekiri mu district Rubirizi, Mitoma, Buhweju, Shema hamwe na Bushenyi bakozire okutendeka kw'abebyo kwerinda kwenda kubatebeekanisa kurungi okuheereza abantu obukumi hamwe n'okurinda obusinge omu bwire bw'akaruru.
We are doing a refresher training for our personnel under Greater Bushenyi, and the essence is to prepare for the next phase of elections. After the NRM primaries, we had lessons, and now that's why we have embarked on training. And we want to get ready so that we handle people professionally during the general campaigns.
Kunganira nko mukutureba nangwa twabire ntukira hwaha konka twijo mu phases kutubentura mu primaries za NRM narishanangwa n'obururu n'obutusire nturabamo nicyetengesa okukora revision nari umuntu wena hamwe mugoro kuba nokora kusityo wire ukongera kwenyweza umucyo urukora kugira ngo oyimproving ubundi ko wakoyine munka mistakes.
Ekibireho kwenda kugira ngo obuvuyo hamwe n'imihondano bitakagaruka mu karuru ko mu cyange cya Bushenyi nko kucyabire omukaruru akahwire aka NRM primaries.
Kutugire kwetegereza aha abantu abamwe ko babire ni betwaza umubururu ubwo buhwire kwa narisho bwose rino bwaho twashangu hamwe abantu abamwe n'abamwe tubona abo kushanga nabakunda violence hata noza kushanga nabo bari yokono ba traininga nko kumwahurire henyumaho umuntu umwe arukugira ngo bakore gare mbwene bo bana bakore gare zitar mu mateka nitwe kunu yantu bantwegezamo ntubantwongera kwenyweza.
Omugambirizo wa polisi y'ecyange cya Bushenyi Mpango Apollo Tayebwa nagira ngo mukutende kwoku harimo ibintu bingi kandi abantu baburijo batatina kubarahurire biru kubaraka.
To the public, they should not really they should be calm, because this training is it is about public order management, and we are going to make sure that we use some tear gas grenades, so when they hear some sounds they shouldn't think that we have been attacked. It is police.
Narisha abantu babutosha mwena baryoka bari no bandebe shaheji ngo mu weekend itukuza kuheza ntwegeze some traininga ntongera kutendekwa kumarahure biru kubaraka byamana munonga mutakagira ngo kandi abatuju narisha barumera mwoyo bahamba Bushenyi narisha bahamba mbarara abo kuba nkarenje ntuza kugikorera mbarara konkana ha henyini hariho embunde zurabe ntutera.
Tayebwa nashobora ngo kutende kwoku no kwejutya mu bukoryo no kureba yaba magaraga abapolisi gabagakirije
exercises umanya amwa still physical fit amwa still medical fit amagaraga nje gogemerire gata twongera kwejutya ubukoryo mukamanje ko yana abagambira ntuza kugira range narshi ukugaraka kwegeze samo mufutera amasasi kureba noho kine target umuntu mwori kumanyira amisho gawe ngachwezaje.